Electrician pay in Solomon Islands is worth a closer look. On average, electrician in Solomon Islands earns around $1,680 a year. That is the average annual gross salary before taxes. But after tax, the electrician income drops to $1,510, which leaves a take-home pay of roughly $126 a month. While that shows how much does electrician make in Solomon Islands on average, staying in the capital city brings home noticeably more because Honiara pay adds up to $1,780 after tax. On top of that, living outside the main city means lower average electrician pay, though cheaper living costs usually balance it out. Starting electrician wages sit well below these figures, but pay goes up quickly early on before it plateaus without moving into supervisory roles. Having a degree isn't locally required, but getting higher education helps you move into senior roles like electrical inspector or project manager. Choosing a specialized field adds even more to your income over time.